What's up guys, welcome to your channel. Today we're gonna make kiwi ka juice or kiwi juice. Let's go over the ingredients, all the stuff that you need. We have a kiwi here, cut in small pieces. We have 1 tablespoon of sugar. We have 1 small tablespoon of black salt powder. We have ice. We have a little water, like half a cup. We have lemon. You can squeeze lemon juice out of one of these, or you can get the lemon juice from the bottle. And obviously you need a grinder to make kiwi ka juice or kiwi juice. Let's get started. Put some water in. Here we go guys, kiwi juice is ready, fresh, homemade squeezed.